In this third trial on the concrete block blasting with cables, we decided to place 3 cartridges on each side of the block and drill short holes down in between the cables themselves to try and disrupt the concrete and see what damage would be caused to the cables, if any at all. As you can see here, we drilled holes 1, 2 and 3 on the left hand side of the block, with the holes penetrating down in between the cables. This same design was used on the right hand side of the block, with the holes offset from the holes on the left hand side. As we can see, the AutoStem cartridges broke the concrete effectively, with a lot of the cracks running through to the ground below. Where cracks are generated, the gas produced by the cartridge dissipates. Like in any blasting process, you can see that the explosive gases generated by the cartridge looks for the path of least resistance. With the cables having a microscopic void space around them within the concrete, we can see that the gas generated from the AutoStem cartridges penetrates into this void zone. It was interesting to see that the gas generated by the AutoStem cartridges proceeded to enter this void space along the outside of the power cable and proceed well into the concrete block as shown here. When initially inspecting these cables, no damage was seen on the surface of the cable itself. Whilst using AutoStem cartridges to remove the concrete from very available cables, it will be up to stakeholders to decide whether the use of AutoStem is suitable for their project.